going to learn about 17 organelles found in cells. Of the 17, only 15 are found in animal cells. The addition of cell wall, chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. So get your notes out, follow along. In addition, I'll be making each of these organelles out of modeling clay. I expect you to make your own, upload a picture after you're done, and put it on camera. First organelle is a cell membrane. It is selectively permeable, which means it controls what goes in and out. It's made of phospholipids, and it is in a bilayer.
Second organelle found in plant and animal cells. It is a gelatinous fluid found in the interior of the cell. It holds organelles and it dissolves solutes needed by the cell.
The nucleus. It protects eukaryotic DNA found both in plant and animal cells. DNA is the blueprint for the cell's ribosomes. Ribosomes make all the protein needed. Ribosomes. It receives instructions from the nucleus. It bonds amino acids together to build proteins. Attached to ribosomes send newly assembled proteins to the rough ER. Ribosomes are scattered throughout the cytoplasm or they cover the surface of the rough ER. They're small, but the most numerous organelle in the cell. Their most numerous cells are high in protein demands like muscle cells.
Endoplasmic reticulum. It receives proteins from ribosomes, modifies them, and sends them to the Golgi. Structure, they're interconnected tubes covered in ribosomes.
Golgi apparatus. It receives proteins from the rough ER and lipids from the smooth ER. It modifies, tags them, and ships them to their final resting place. Looks like stacked of flattened pancakes.
They're formed from the Golgi apparatus, but their main job is to destroy unneeded materials like old cell parts, viruses, and bacteria. They're most abundant in white blood cells.
ER. Smooth tubes with no ribosomes. Assembles lipids like cholesterol and phospholipids. It sends it to the Golgi body. Its main function is to detoxify drugs and poisons most abundant in the liver. Chloroplast found only in plant cells. Its main process is photosynthesis. It uses water, carbon dioxide, and light to make oxygen and glucose. It's interdependent with mitochondria. The center of a chloroplast is large, green, circular, that contains stacks of thylakoids.
Mitochondria, its main function is cellular respiration that makes usable energy in the form of ATP. It uses oxygen and glucose to make water, carbon dioxide, and ATP. Mitochondria is a large organelle with an inner and outer membrane. It's found in eukaryotic cells, but most numerous in high energy needs like muscle cells.
Cytoskeleton provides structure and support for vesicles to move along. It also helps pull cell parts during mitosis. Its structure is thin filaments that crisscross all over the cell.
Centrioles. They organize DNA when the cell needs to divide. The structure is short cylinder-shaped structures that move along opposite sides of the cell during mitosis. In meiosis, beat to move the cell in different locations. It also helps obtain dust particles. Cilia found alongside of our airway lungs to move dirt and debris upward. The structure are hair-like structures. Flagella is a tail-like structure that whips back and forth to move the cell to different locations.
The cell wall, found only in bacteria and plant cells. It adds structure and support to those cells. It is a tough outer layer.
Vacuole, found in both plant and animal. In plant, it's just one really large one, and in animal, it's really tiny ones. They are